Determine if x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial. To test if a binomial like this is a factor of this polynomial, use the factor theorem. According to the factor theorem, if x minus a is a factor of polynomial p of x, then p of a is equal to 0. To see if x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial, we plug in the numerical value into the polynomial. But make sure the factor is written in the form x minus a. As you can see, x minus 3 is in this form, so we simply plug in 3 into the polynomial. We get p of 3 equals 3 to the 5th minus 3 to the 4th minus 27 times 3 cubed plus 3 squared plus 146 times 3 plus 120. 3 to the 5th is equal to 243. Minus 3 to the 4th is equal to 81. 3 cubed is 27 times 27 is 729. 3 squared is 9. 146 times 3 is equal to 438 plus 120. Combining the negative terms, these two, we get negative 810, and then let's combine pairs of positive terms. So 243 plus 9 is 252. And then 438 plus 120 is 558. Negative 810 plus, and these terms combine to also equal 810. So both terms cancel out, and we're left with 0. So x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial.